Today I'm going to be doing a really cute, simple, beginner-friendly, kind of a cute Halloween ghost nail look. I'm going to link all the products below. I just got everything in off of Amazon except for these nail tips. These are the Nailzbydev extra long Coffin full cover tips. Everything else I purchased off Amazon, really affordable. It'll be below. I'm just going in right now with some base coat. And cure that. And then I wanted my ring finger to be a nude, but I did not have a nude, so really it's more of an off-white. And then I'm using this really pretty pale pink for the rest of the nails. And I also have a black and a white that I'm going to use to make the little ghosts. I did have to do 2 to 3 coats, and I actually cut off because I had to bring it really close to me, and if it was off camera I had to get all the sides, and that was kind of difficult to do in frame. Also, this video is sped up. This took quite a bit of time to do. And there's a little ghost I drew for reference. So in the beginning, I tried to just have like my little nail brush standing up and just take the white polish off like that. Didn't really work well, but I will say this Marquette white and black gel polish is amazing compared to the pinks that I did. It is so much more opaque. I really like this. And sorry it's a little bit out of frame here. I was really trying to pay attention, and sometimes I have to bring it really close. But it's about to be back in frame in just a minute. Yeah, at this point, I just put the polish on my table. Way easier. I see other people who do nail designs do this, and honestly, I just used an alcohol pad to wipe all the colors up. So I definitely suggest just doing that, or if you have a little mat, maybe you could use. I also wanted to put the ghost in different places on each of the nails, and they're not really perfect. Again, this was my first time trying, but I had a lot of fun. So what you'll see on this ring finger, I really wanted to try doing a French tip. This was my first time ever trying to do it, so it was not perfect, and the hot pink didn't really go with anything else, but I just really wanted to practice. If you guys have gotten this far in my video, I just want to say thank you for watching. I'm definitely going to continue practicing. Doing nails is an amazing hobby. I'm so glad I found it for myself, and I would really appreciate if you guys would like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite nail color. For some reason, at the end of this video, one of my overhead lights kept flickering, so sorry for that. But it's kind of good. You kind of get to see how it looks in different lightings, because it really does make a difference on how these colors show up. So originally I was going to keep that ring finger just French tip, but because I didn't have the nude and the hot pink was kind of odd, I went in and added some crosses and ghosts on that one as well. And I'm really glad I did. I like how it turned out better that way. Oh my God, I screamed. I screamed. I was not curing my nails long enough. I thought 30 to 60 seconds was fine. No, this type of lamp, 2 minutes. So I tried to fix it, and I think I did pretty well. And here is the final look. Let me know below what you think, and thank you again for watching my video.